Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, minus and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is -1, B is -2, C is 1 and D is 2. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS. These rules we will apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve the division and multiplication, or you can say the multiplication and division. What you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first. We can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. But in our expression, we do not have any bracket or parenthesis. We can skip this step right now. Move forward for exponent part or order of operation. So now we have one number which has the power. We can use this step. 2 raised to power 3 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which is equal divided by 2. Again, we have to write as it is -15 divided by 3. We will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 2 raised to power 3 equals to 8. And here it becomes raised to power 3. Now move forward. We have solved on exponent part. Now we have to see the division and multiplication, or you can say the multiplication and division. So what we have to do, you have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So now we have 8 minus 4 divided by 2. It becomes 2 minus, and now again we have to write this part here as it is. So we will solve each step in each line. So 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Now move forward. Again, we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 8 minus 2 minus 15 divided by 3 equals to 5. And here we have to give the reference 15 divided becomes divided by 3 equals to 5. Now we have solved all division and multiplication. Now we have to see for addition and subtraction, or you can say subtraction and division. So subtraction and addition. We have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 8 minus 2. It becomes 6 minus 5. And here we have to give the reference 8 minus 2 equals to 6. Now we have two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 1. Not -1, 1, because we have plus sign with the larger number. So that's why we get the answer is 1. If you see, the answer leaves, so answer C is the correct answer of this expression. So I understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.